Hey everybody, it's TJ with HogEye Camera Systems, and today we're going to go over the unboxing and general component list for the HogEye Farm and Ranch camera in the AC power version. So here we're going to pop the lid off and dig into it. The first thing you're going to see is a thank you card. We really appreciate your business. We always have and we always will. We're going to get some of this bubble wrap out of the way and then we'll dig into the contents. On top of the kit box, you're going to see your HogEye Farm and Ranch manual. This will tell you just about everything you need to know about the camera and its use, so this is something we recommend you read all the way through. Next, we're going to see the actual camera itself with the wiring harness coming out of the bottom to plug in your power source. The antenna cable is not screwed onto the camera. It's housed in the kit box inside. Here you're going to see the kit box with all the power components, cabling, and connections necessary for use with your HogEye Farm and Ranch camera. One of the first things you're going to see are the brackets. The brackets are going to be in two pieces. This is the piece that screws onto the back of your camera to mount the camera on the secondary bracket piece and also screw your antenna onto the top of it. This is going to be the piece that you screw on to your gate post, a tree, something that is a stationary component that is next to or in view of your gates to mount your camera system for its permanent use. Here you're going to see the HogEye Farm and Ranch gate receiver. So this is going to be the end that screws in to the connections on the inside of the actual gate controller. We're going to go over that at a later time. And then on this end, this is the piece that you affix next to that gate controller. It's going to have a sticker on the back of it that's going to tell you a lot of the things that you need to know to pair your camera system with this receiver. Next, we're going to see your antenna cable. So this is the piece that screws onto the bottom of the camera and then once again into the antenna for connectivity for your camera system to the cellular tower. Here we're going to see your power cable that's going to go in between the camera system and the AC/DC power converter that is right here inside of this same kit box. So here, this is the AC/DC converter that comes with the AC power version of the camera. This is made to plug into your existing power source at your gate and then go to the power cable that then connects into the camera system. This is a necessary piece that is made to be a permanent fixture on your camera to ensure you're never going to have any power issues. Next, we're going to see the omnidirectional antenna that's going to come with your HogEye Farm and Ranch camera. So this is made to attach to the bracket that comes with your camera system. So you screw the bracket onto the back of the camera and then you screw this antenna onto the top of the bracket. This is going to be a permanent fixture to keep your camera connected to the cellular tower and to the cellular network at all times.